Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a popular bundle that's perfect for anyone looking to get started with home recording or upgrade their setup. The PreSonus Studio 24c 2x2 USB Type-C audio MIDI interface paired with the Eris 3.5 studio monitors, plus some essential cables and an LYX Pro recording bundle. This package brings together some solid components from PreSonus, a brand known for reliable audio gear. At the heart of this bundle is the Studio 24c interface. This is a compact, 2-input, 2-output interface that connects via USB Type-C. It's designed to be simple and effective, providing clean preamps for microphones or instruments. With 2 channels, a user can easily record a microphone and an instrument simultaneously, or 2 microphones for stereo recording. It's compatible with Windows operating systems, making it accessible for many home studio setups. The interface also features headphone compatibility, which is crucial for monitoring your recordings or mixes privately. Complementing the interface are the PreSonus Eris 3.5 studio monitors. These are compact, active monitors designed for desktop use. They aim to provide a more accurate sound representation compared to standard computer speakers, which is vital for making good mixing decisions. While small, they are well regarded for their performance at their price point, offering a balanced sound that helps reveal details in audio. The bundle also includes 1 4-inch instrument cables, which are necessary for connecting instruments like guitars or keyboards directly to the interface. The inclusion of a LYX Pro recording bundle adds further value, typically including items like a microphone, pop filter, and stand, though the specifics aren't detailed here. This suggests the bundle is intended to provide a near-complete solution for someone wanting to start recording vocals or instruments right away. Putting it all together, this PreSonus bundle offers a convenient and cost-effective way to build a functional home studio. The Studio 24c provides the necessary connectivity and audio quality for recording. The Eris 3.5 monitors offer improved listening accuracy for mixing, and the included accessories ensure you have the basic tools to get started. For someone on Windows looking for a straightforward, reliable entry point into music production or podcasting, this bundle presents a compelling option. It simplifies the process of acquiring essential gear by packaging compatible components together. It's a setup that allows a user to plug in, record, and start creating without needing to source multiple items separately. The focus is on providing a solid foundation with quality components from a reputable brand.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.